Welcome to SEO Training 2025. In this video, you will learn how to write unique article so that your article should be in Google Search Console. Okay, before going to write one article on Google, this is my website. Just I will show you my website. This is my website, and okay, this is my website newsmug.in, and I would like to write one unique article and so that my article can rank on Google as well as an Bing webmaster tool or Google Search Console and Google and Bing Search Console search engine. Okay, so before I one article on your website speed should be out of more than 90%, like that 91, 95, 100 and 22 and desktop also. Okay, so before going to start, I will again analyze my website speed in out of you before you, and you will trust in this video. You will learn definitely how to write unique article using AI tool, because the someone know the AI tool you can use, your article should not be rank on Google. So this is the definitely true. But if what is the command you whatever your command, and how to give the command to AI tool, how to interchange the content from AI to human, this is back practice. And in this video you will learn how to connect you with AI tool. Okay, and write one quality content, unique content, and how to find out the best article for your website. So before going to write a unique article, your website speed should be more than 90%. Okay, this is my website, and this is website speed is more than 90%. This performance is 97%, accessibility is 95%, best practices is 100%, and SEO is 92%. Okay, in mobile device and the desktop device, my website speed is 72%, but it's something is wrong, because we have to some analyze this website speed. But out of 4, 3 is more than 90%. Okay, so just to go to your website, and this is my website, and you will find out the my one article have 88,000 views, 50,000 views, 63,000, 16,000, 14,000. So this way you can rank your website. And my website also have a Google AdSense ad. You will find out the Google AdSense ad, and this is the way you can learn and earn more money. Okay, this is fully is news website, and I will write one article, and this is my multi niche website, so that I will write any of topic, okay, which is suitable in my website. So before going to write one article on your website, you must have to one niche, or whatever niche you have, just choose your niche and write one article. So just going to my website, and this is my website, and I would like to write one article about more in this is my topic, and I have already given this topic to ChatGPT. Just open a ChatGPT, and I have given the 49 great way to say thank you in Hindi. This is my title. I have given to ChatGPT. This is my command, and they will write 49 ideas about say thank you. Okay, this is 49, and I have already again one command I have given right above. Matlab this right above in 800 word long for SEO friendly and detail as human writing style. Also suggest title, metadata, and focus keyword and tags. This ChatGPT suggest me title, metadata, focus keyword, tags, and description unique way. Okay, this is unique way. I have just copy this description, all description, and paste this description in Word. Okay, this is my Word, and I have pasted all the over here. After that, you can copy this word to another AI tool, DeepSeek. DeepSeek is China-based AI tool, and I have given here full this all the articles link. Write this as SEO expert. Okay, so that this will rank on Google as well as Bing Search Console. This is I have written, and after this bracket, and I have copy from this word I have pasted over here. Okay, and enter this. So Bing, this AI tool DeepSeek is written for me. 49 best way to say thank you in Hindi, express gratitude and respect and style. This is the my title. This is meta description. This is focus keyword and this is tag. And this is 800 word long article. Also, DeepSeek provide me one to a PDF version. I have l- taken from PDF version. I have just copied this all the 49 ideas to WordPress and convert this my logo, website logo, and convert this to PDF format. This type. Okay, and this is the PDF version. This is my PDF, and here you can find out the 49 ideas about say thank you. Best way to say thank you in Hindi. Okay, this PDF link I have given in my website. Okay, so this is DeepSeek, and just go to DeepSeek, copy this title, paste over here. Just a minute. This is title I have copied from DeepSeek, and description. Just go to here and copy all this description and paste it over here. This is description. Okay, and after that you have to focus keyword. This is the provided by DeepSeek. This is focus keyword, tags, meta description I just copy from here and pasted over here. This is meta description. Okay, and focus keyword, this is focus keyword provided by the DeepSeek. This is focus keyword I have just copied from here and pasted over here. Okay, and another is the tags I have copied from DeepSeek. This is tag, copy from here and pasted over here. Okay, and select one particular category, whatever your category is suitable for your article. Okay, and make one unique photo or picture or image. Okay, so I have made this image from, I have download this image from my officially or my, this is my, I have taken Adobe stock and I have just download this image from here, and this is the license version. I already have a license, education license, and I have just download this image and pasted over the Canva. This is Canva, and I have pasted over here, and I have made one logo over here, written here 49 best way to say thank you in Hindi. This is my website logo, download from here, and this upload in my website feature image. This is feature image I have selected. Okay, this is replace, just replace it. This is my feature image, copy and save it. Okay, and you will go to your rank math tool. Focus keyword is green line. This all everything is green, all good. One error is there, but this is not required. Use AI tool to optimize the post. No need. Okay, everything is green. This is green also. This also green. Your content is image and video. Your content contain a image and video. Video is don't have. So you can find out one video from best way to thank you. Just go to YouTube, okay, and paste over here. थैंक यू का क्या रिप्लाई किया ना? हाउ टू ग्रेट पीपल learn Hindi. How to say thank you in Hindi. This is suitable for me. Okay, just a minute. Okay, skip. Right click over here. Copy embed code. Okay, okay. Go to your website and paste this here. Just a minute. Here, custom HTML. Paste over here. Preview. Okay, this video will be here. Now this is gone. Okay, all good. Just save it. Okay. After saving, you can visit your post. This is my post, and you will see here is the image, article, everything is there. And before publish this article, you have to make five is internal link. This is internal link. This is internal link, and this is external link. You must have one external link in your post. Okay, this is a external link. I just copy this keyword, paste over here, and any website, but it should be more than DA and PA website, like just Grammarly, and this is also good. And no, this is also good. Okay, you will see, and just copy this external link and paste over here. Okay, this is the external link. Okay, just paste. After this, visit your post. See, everything is okay. This is okay. Ad also running. Okay, this is all is going to be live. This video also coming, and just copy your URL and paste your search console. This is my Google search console, newsmug.in, and inspect this here. Okay, URL in on Google. Okay, so definitely in Google. Okay, test live URL. If everything is okay, then green signal will be come up. Okay, so this way you have to write one unique article so that your website will be ranked on Google, or you will definitely get a good number of traffic from Google or Bing's. Okay, Bing for out of India, and Google is for India also. Okay, if you are Indian, you will definitely your website traffic should be in Indian. Okay, or if you want out of India's traffic, your website should be rank on Bing or Yadens search engine. Okay, thank you for watching, and any query or any doubt, please comment me. And next video, I will explain you how to increase your website speed like that. Okay, how to speed up your website using my technique. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.